Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ami Issacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today we're going to create our first sub-account on Coinbase Pro. On your wallet page, click on the Create button next to Default Portfolio. Name the sub-account after the strategy you're connecting and click on Done to complete the process. Upon creating API keys for the sub-account, make sure you're choosing the right account on the API page. For more information regarding sub-accounts, please get in touch with our support team at endotech.io. Good luck and thank you for choosing EndoTech.